Hey guys, Wyatt here, and today I'm going to be explaining the basics of black holes. So this is the picture that I chose, and it's actually a pretty particularly complex example of a black hole. Just to be exact, it's a black hole with an accretion disk of hot matter that used to be from the star, but it also has a jet emanating from the black hole's spin axis. Now, that probably went over the heads of most of you, including myself when I first read the description. So for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to focus on explaining a simple black hole with no charge or no movement just to display the fundamentals. So, in stars such as our sun, nuclear fission crushes hydrogen atoms into helium to create huge amounts of energy. And this energy, which is emitted in the form of radiation, pushes against gravity to maintain a balance which keeps the star intact. But when fusion doesn't generate enough energy to counterbalance the gravity causes the star to implode. And if that star is big enough, with many times bigger than our sun, it will the gravity of the star will collapse the entire mass of the star into an infinitely small point known as a singularity. And because the singularity's mass is concentrated into such a small point, its density is infinitely large. Now, the density of black holes results in a gravitational force that is so strong that not even light can escape it. So that might sound a little confusing, but to better increase our understanding of black holes, let's take a theoretical trip into one. So as we approach the black hole, the gravitational distortion of light grows stronger and stronger as we approach it until we reach what's called the event horizon. Now, the event horizon, simply put, is just known as the point in space at which the gravity of the black hole is so strong that nothing can escape it, not even light, let alone us. So, to a bystander, as we cross the event horizon, we would just fade away, as the light would no longer be able to escape the black hole that we are being hopelessly sucked into. But for us, that's not the end of the journey. We would continue on until the gravity is so strong that our body would be stretched into a line of heated matter through a process scientifically known as spaghettification. This happens because parts of our bodies would experience such a higher degree of gravity than the other parts that it would just quickly rip us apart and kill us. So then eventually that string of atoms would be sucked and packed into the singularity. And honestly, past that is just up to scientific debate. There's tons of different theories, and quite honestly, I don't have enough time to get into all of them. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope that you walked away with this video with an increased understanding of how black holes work.